Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door gasket on a refrigerator. A worn-out gasket can lead to higher energy bills and spoiled food, so replacing it is a smart move. We'll go over why a good seal is crucial for your appliance's efficiency and how a simple replacement can save you money and keep your food fresher for longer. It's a straightforward task that anyone can tackle with a little guidance. Before we begin, gathering your tools is key. You'll typically need a new gasket, a screwdriver, and perhaps a hair dryer to warm the new gasket, making it more flexible. Safety first. Always unplug your refrigerator before starting any work. Warming the new gasket for about 20 minutes will help it conform better to the door frame, ensuring a snug fit and an effective seal. Now, let's carefully remove the old gasket. Most gaskets are held in place by screws or simply pressed into a channel. Take your time to observe how it's attached. This will make installing the new one much easier. Once removed, thoroughly clean the channel where the gasket sits. Any debris or old adhesive could prevent your new gasket from sealing properly, so a clean surface is essential for success. With the channel clean and the new gasket pliable, it's time for installation. Start at one corner and firmly press the new gasket into the channel, working your way around the entire door. Ensure it's seated evenly and securely. Once installed, close the door and perform a simple paper test. If a piece of paper held in the door can be pulled out easily, you might need to adjust the gasket for a tighter seal. A good seal means a happy refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.